This channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get cute ballet shoes on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Here I have joined Dress to Impress, and I'm going to show you guys how we can get cute ballet shoes. First of all, you can buy Madoka set on Dress to Impress. You can select this icon, and then you can click this icon, and then here you need to buy the Madoka set. This one, guys. Okay, this is from the New Year update on Dress to Impress, and you need to buy the shoe. And after you have bought the shoes, you can go to the dressing room, and now it's time to put the ballet shoe on our avatar. We can select this icon, and then you can put this ballet shoes on your avatar. Okay, then you can go to the toggle and select Ballet. Okay, and this is the result, and you will be able to change the color if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm going to exit the dressing room. Okay, this is the final result, guys. Alright, guys, and that's all the way to get cute ballet shoes on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!